Hi. In this video, we are going to see how we can able to use the continue for loop if keyword. So this keyword is also similar to skip the current loop for loop iteration if the condition is true. This is similar to continue for loop. There is a slight change in the syntax, and it is looks compared to continue for loop. It looks good. Okay. Now let's go for execution and see how we can able to use this one. Okay. Test cases. Example for continue for loop if. Okay, documentation, the usage of continue for loop if keyword. As usually I'm going to create one list. One, two, three, four, five, and I'm going to create one sum variable. Now I'm going to use the for loop for num in list. Okay, now I'm going to check if the number is equal to 3, then we are going to skip the loop and we are going to continue. Okay, so for that one, continue for loop if num double is equal to 3, else what I need to do, I need to continue. That is, sum is equal to evaluate dollar sum means initial value is 0, 0 plus num. Okay, and after each iteration I am going to print the message log to console. Current value of sum is sum. Let's close this for loop end. Okay, now what is your expected output? Iteration 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the sum is 1, that is 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 1. In the next iteration the sum will be, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. In the third iteration we are going to skip because the condition falls under line number 7, that is a continue for loop if a number is 7. So here we are skipping. Now in the fourth iteration the sum is equal to, that is a 1 plus 2 plus 3 skip, so it will be 4. So the total is 5, 6, 7. Now in the fifth iteration the sum is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12. Okay, now let's see whether we are getting the same input or not. Robot demo program dot robot. When I execute, I can see in the first iteration I can see current value is 1. In the next iteration I can see current value is 3, and in the third iteration we are skipping, we are not printing anything. In the fourth iteration we are printing 7, and in the last iteration we are printing 12.